Sawubona mfundi, let me teach you how to ask everyday Ndebele questions so that you can flow better in your conversations. So we're talking about questions like, what do you want? What are you looking for? Or what are you doing? And even the basic questions like, how are you? Okay, so let's start with this simple one. Ungubani, which means, who are you? Okay, another way to ask would be, ibizo lakho ngubani? What is your name? So if you're over the phone and you wanted to ask, who am I talking to in Ndebele? Ngikhuluma lobani. All right. More questions? Wenzani? This we ask it a lot all the time. And it means, what are you doing? All right. And if someone is laughing and you want to ask what they are laughing or why they are laughing, you're going to say uhlekani. And the opposite, someone is crying. Your question will be ukhalelani. Why are you crying? All right. Ufunani. What does that sound like? It means, what do you want? Okay. Ufunani. Udingani. What are you looking for? Ucelani. What are you asking for? All right. Unjani. This, I think you know what it means. What does unjani mean? So it means, how are you? All right. So normally after greeting is sakubona, yebo, unjani. And the answer is normally what? Ngiyaphila. All right. I am fine. I'm well. So unjani. How are you? Moving on. Uthini. That's what you ask when you want to say, what are you saying to someone? Uthini. All right. Another one that's similar to that is utheni. Utheni means, what did you say? Okay. Uthini, what are you saying? Utheni, what did you say? Angit. Then if you want to ask someone, where are you? NgesiNdebele, you will say ungaphi. Right. We normally ask this when you're trying to locate someone, when you're trying to see if they're available so you can visit, or you're just making conversation. So you ask them, where are you? Ungaphi ngesindebele. So we have related questions to that, and they are like this. Uvela ngaphi? Where are you coming from? The opposite, uya ngaphi? Where are you going? Okay. You want to ask them where they live? Uhlala ngaphi? Okay. Where they go to school? Ufunda ngaphi? You want to ask someone, where do you work? Usebenza ngaphi? Angit. Right. You may also want to ask someone, what are you trying to do? NgesiNdebele, you are going to say uzamani. All right. And if you want to ask them, what do you like? Uthandani. The opposite of that, what do you hate? Uzondani. Angit, what do you hate? And then the common question, how much is this? How much is that? Is yimalini. How much is it? Yimalini. All right. So go on and use the questions. Remember what I always say, you have to use the language to learn it. I'll see you in the next class.